Okay, welcome to question number 13, right? So now we're doing question 13. Let's go through it and see how we can do question 13. Okay, so question 13 says, if money is worth 12% per annum, right, compounded monthly, how long will it, okay, so now it's a timeline diagram, right? So it says, if money is worth 12% per annum compounded monthly, how long will it take for the principal to become 4 times its original value? Right? So whenever they have 4 times its original value and all that, right? Let's see. So you have now, then you have the time that is unknown, right? You don't know the time, right? But you know that if I put 1 rand here, I'm going to get 4 rand at the end, right? It's going to be 4 at the end, so it's 4 times, right? So that, again, let's say that's my PV, and my feature value is going to become 4. How long will it take the principal value to become 4 times its original value? So, what are they using here? You can see that they're using compound interest. So it's compound interest, right? So it's back to our calculator, which is this calculator, right? I'm going to use this financial calculator to solve for that. So we have the first 5 patterns on top. So we have N, I, PV, PMT, future value, FV. Right. From there now, what do we do? There are 2 formulas that go with this. We have M is equal to M times T, and we have I is equal to R over M. So we need to find out what M is, right? Which is the number of compound materials, right? Let's read through to get our information once again, right? So they said, if money is worth 12% per annum, right? That is your rate. It's worth 12% per annum, compounded monthly. That means your M is 12 because there are going to be 12 compoundings, right? How long will it take for the principal P to become 4 times its original value? So we're looking for time. So we can see that here, this is just going to give us 1. So we have I, we have PV, we have FV. So we'll look for N. N is going to lead us to our time, right? So let's calculate that, let's see, and get N. So first, we need to make sure that our period per year in our calculator is 1 and it's reset, right? So we come here, we have 52, so we need to change it to 1. So we say 1 shift period per year. It's now back to 1. So when we press that, it's now 1, right? Then from there now, put in the values. F1, that's your I, right? Then your present value is 1, but since it's present value, you press this plus or minus button, right? So that becomes negative present value. Then your future value is 4, so you have 4 future value. What are we looking for? N, so we just press N, right? So N is just going to give us what? So N is equal to 139.32. So this is 139.32 months, right? From there, we need the time, right? So we use this equation to get the time in years, right? Because they probably want the time in years. Because let's look at our solution if they want the time in months. Okay? So they want years, right? So we want years. We come here and say 139.32 is equal to M, which is 12 times T. So T is just going to be 139.32 over 12. So we divide by 12. So you can come here and just say divided by 12 equals, right? We get 11.61 years, right? Which is option 2, right? So for question 13, we have option 2. So, question 13, we've done it. Then I've done question 14, right, in one of my previous videos before, where I've done a detailed explanation on question 14, right. It wasn't hard, it wasn't very difficult at all. So now we shall move on to question 15, right. We shall move on to question 15. Thank you for watching this video. We meet in question 15.